bit emotional. The fishermen saved lots of people, didn't they? They saved many, 300 and more, didn't they? And they were very brave men. They were heroes.
有人漂亮的我们有的拉上来，有人漂亮，有人我也没这个酒很急腾起来有嘞。
Because the Japs would have carried on shooting. But as soon as the fishermen came out with their boats, that was it. That stopped them. It was the fishermen that coming out that saved our lives.
快手，拥抱每一种生活。